So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to give you a newest method in 2026 that you can use to clear your C drive, to clear the C drive, to manage the storage in C drive without actually formatting your laptop. Now, in order to do it, press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Now, in the run prompt, you need to write for clean mrg. Press mgr, press enter, and now here select the C drive and hit OK. Now it will scan the C drive. Now select all the files right there. These all are files that are of no use for you. Select all of them, and you can just go for clean up system files app option right there as well. Again, select the C drive. Now it will scan, it takes some time, scan the C drive, and it will show you the files that are you can easily delete, that are of no use. You can see there are multiple files, and you can see just by using this I've almost cleaned up half a GB of data from C drive. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.